everyone, this is just a simple chignon hairstyle and I will be doing 4 hairstyles today, and this is the first one. It's all for fine hair. I started out with this chignon bun. First, I've sprayed the hair with some texture spray. Take a section off the crown of the head, spray with some volume powder, rub the in a bit, and then take the same section and just give it a little bit of back comb. Take a little bit off the face just to frame it. Then we're going to smooth it out with a comb. You can use anything you like, and we have a ponytail. Then all we're going to do is just a little loop through it like this. You do it on the left hand side, smooth off the top, spray with some texture spray, just roll it into a bun, and then what we're going to do is just pin it. You use as much bobby pin as you like, just use the groovy side, and then pinch the crown of the head just to give it some more volume. Then at all the flyaway I've got, I use a bobby pin, roll it together, and then just tuck it under, spray with some hairspray, and this is the finished look. If you like this one, just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Then we're going to do the other hairstyle, and it's all for fine hair. As I say, this one is so simple to do. All I use is 2 ponytail. It's just seeing the sides and the back like this. Is give it a bit more volume for fine hair. First, I take a little section off the crown again, and then tie that into a ponytail, and then just fan out the side a little bit just to make it bigger. Then pinch and pull the crown just to give it more volume to it. Like that. I did spray it with some hairspray, and all the product used will be in the description below. Just pin that away for a bit, and then take a section of both sides and tie at the back, and we have 2 ponytail looking like this. Then we're going to do is a just little loop to it. Bring the bottom section through the top section, and then you just throw it over like so, and then spread that out a bit, and look, you have like a big ponytail at the back. Use some texture spray, and then fan it all out just to give it a bit more volume to it. And that's the second hairstyle, and this is how it look from the sides and the back and everything. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this hairstyles. And this is my third hairstyle. Just a little bit volume to the top of the crown, and you look a bit sleek to this hairstyle, and it's so simple to do. She look like she have lots of hair, very fine hair. Take a little bit off the side of the face, both sides, pin that away like that, and then we take another section off the crown, smooth it out a bit, pin that away, and then take another section, tie that into a ponytail like this, and let that down, and then you just smooth it out a little bit, spray some hairspray to it. You take the flyaway, and this is the finished look again. It's so sleek, this one, and so simple and easy to do. It takes no time if you're in a rush or anything like this. And this is the third hairstyle, the fourth hairstyle, the last one. This one is just a simple ponytail to it. It takes no time to do. It's so simple to do. All I do is just gather all the hair into a ponytail, and then just tie it with a clear elastic band like this, and take a section off the bottom of the ponytail. It's a little bit fiddly, but it turned out very good. And then spin that around, and then just tuck it through like that. You can use this hairstyle on any hair texture. And then here you go, and then just pull it down a bit, and you have something looking like that. Then I just fan out the bottom of it just to make it a bit more bigger. Then use some more texture spray, and then just make it voluminous. Just fan it all out a bit. You can make it as big as possible. It's just to show how you can do hairstyle with fine hair too. All I do is use some texture spray. I will pop all the product I've used in the description below. And here's the last hairstyle. If you like these hairstyles, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. It's a great help, and thank you for watching my video. Really appreciate it.